Mr. Gayton.
iPatriotic Alliance ivuzwe ngesikhundla sekomiti yezempilo kwisigqiba sikasodolophu eRhawutini. Izikhundla ezibini kumasipala waseGruleni esezempilo nezezindlu kwisigqiba sikasodolophu.
South Africans now look with great hope towards these coalitions that we're putting together, to give them some glimmer that life can be different for them.
We want South Africa to survive. We want South Africa to prosper. And yes, we have differences of opinion on certain things.
This coalition has nothing to do with political ideology or isms. We must not be afraid to be put in a corner. It's all about providing services to our people.
The coalition partners are eager to get things going and to start governing in terms of the coalition agreement that we've negotiated.
It is a great honor for us to serve alongside you now. It is a great honor for us in Tatelikota, my friend Bonginkosi, and Mr. Moody. It is a great ACDP. It is a great honor for us to be here.
Isivumelwano sentlanganisela satyikitye ePitoli ngoDisemba nyaka enye kwaye isibandakanya iDA, iAction SA, iIFP, iFF Plus, iACDP, iCope, iUnited Independent Movement ngoku iPA liqela lamva ukungenelela kule nkazathi.